necessary to get what they want.
Agreed. We must protect our recipes at all costs.
And we can forget about Jamal, the son of Burger King and Queen. Might be a target. I just received this note, and I think Jamal is in danger.
Oh no, Little Caesar is going to kidnap Jamal. We must stop at nothing to protect him. He's walking home from school right now. I hope you can get him before Little Caesar.
Everything is falling into place.
Where's the kid?
Pizza, pizza.
What?
Pop, cause the weed.
They got Jamal. Where could they be taking him?
I think they have a secret lair in a warehouse not far from here. Take it there, Grimace. I have to get my stuff on.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
We'll use him as leverage to get the Whooper's secret sauce recipe from his parents. Brilliant plan. They'll do anything to get their son back.
We already sent the ransom note. Let's get cooking.
We have to get Jamal back before it's too...
Let's go in quietly. We don't want to alert the enemy.
It looks like the store is open.
To be quiet. Shh. Release the boy and surrender peacefully.
Pizza, pizza.
We need the recipe first.
Or we're keeping the kid.
I'll do anything for my baby, Mama. Give them the recipe king.
Okie dokie, everyone calm down. Let me have my son and you can have the recipe. Fine!
I'm sorry, Colonel, but I can't let you do that. The boy's mine, unless King gave me the recipe.
Shut your ninja. Let's go, Jamal.
Grimace may have betrayed us, but at least we are all safe.
Jamal, are you okay? Are you hungry?
I'm fine, Mom, but I can use some of Colonel's chicken.
Of course. Let's go eat, Jamal.
We may have lost a friend today, but we won't lose our recipes. And I hope Grimace and the fast food foes go to jail for a long time.
Now that the Whopper's secret sauce recipe is safe, we need to make sure that Colonel protects his secret recipe too. We must protect what's ours and ensure a tastier future for all.
Let's show them what the Fast Food Alliance is made of.